Welcome to Land a House. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and installing the Livolo touch switch. Let's take a look inside of the box here. It has a simple foam covering on it, has a couple of screws, and then actually has a very nice full color instruction manual for how to install this switch. Let's take a look at this real quick here. So here is a black glass on the touch switch. You can see there's a circle here in the middle. Well, that circle will show either red or blue depending on whether the light is on or off. And then to get this open, I'm going to use a screwdriver on these little tabs to just pop this loose here. And installation is going to be with this piece, and then we will simply connect this once this is installed. But the options here on this one-way switch are just your input and output. Quite straightforward. The Livolo also has a white faceplate along with the black, so everything else is going to be just the same. Now it's time to get this switch installed. Now the first thing to note is that the power is turned off, and I do have my black wires sticking out here. The two black wires are the hot circuit. Sometimes you'll find them in red or different colors, but the main thing to note is that this is the hot. Now on the back of the box there is an arrow, and that needs to point upwards. So I'm just going to loosen the screws that are here on the back of the box and simply take these black wires and stick them into the box. Then take my Phillips head screwdriver and tighten this down back here. Make sure it's nice and snug. It's worth giving a little tug to make sure that the wire does not come out. Then, just like the top one, I'm going to insert the next black wire down below and tighten that screw up as well. And likewise, just going to give it a little tug, and it does not come out. This box does not have a ground, so I'm just going to place it back into position here, and then I'm going to use the included screws to get this connected up to my box here, using a Phillips head screwdriver to reinsert that. So far, I must say this install has gone quite quick and smooth. Now with that in place, it's time to get the faceplate on, and you want to be able to match up the arrows. So there's an arrow on each side here. Just going to flip this around and then get this stuck into place. Should hear a solid snap whenever it makes its full connection. I've turned the power back on. I'm going to kill the light so you can see the color here. There's actually a very, very dim blue light showing here. So that works quite well. Turn it off like that. I've turned all the lights off in my shop so you can see the blue light. I'm going to touch it real quick. There we go. Bring that back on and then touch it again. You can maybe make out here that it's red in there whenever it's on, and then it will be blue whenever it's off. The Livolo touch switch seems to be a nice product. It has a very solid glass covering. The connection back here is very simple and easy to work with. Installed very quickly. And at first I thought, man, those lights are rather dim and it might be nice to have a brighter light. But then I started thinking, if this is in your bedroom and you're wanting to sleep, it's probably better to have a very faint light. And once your eyes have adjusted to the dark, I'm sure that is plenty enough to find the light switch. So definitely not going to be intrusive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to check out this switch, then please check out the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.